reggae in jail, reggae in church, everybody likes it. Reggae in the bathroom, reggae in the bedroom, reggae everywhere. Reggae in jail, reggae in church, everybody likes it.
A guy who's killing many years ago, killing the prophets of reggae, destroying the prophets of reggae. But somebody said to all upon it, respect the Rastaman, cause he's the only one left. Hey. To the one.
Nobody can stop reggae.
Hey.
Nobody can stop reggae.
Hey.
Nobody can stop reggae. Cause the reggae is strong. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Cause the reggae is on.
Burden on your shoulders. How long shall those seas keep rolling down your beautiful face? We all have troubles now and again. You know what I'm saying? No matter how hard you try, trouble will find us one way or another. People get worried since the Pope wasn't on the board. People get worried from when they see what's only critical. They always know where to find me. Come on, darling, keep your head high. I tell you again and again, smile on your face. When the trouble comes down, so so do you feel like we do? Let me see your hands. 1, 2, 3, everyone. Do you feel like we do? Let me see that hands. Come on. Do you feel like we do? Hey, we're feeling irate. Feel irate. I really wanna know this time. Do you feel like we do? Come on, smile on your face. Don't let the troubles get you down. Come on and put a smile on your face. Does not pay. He said to me, education is the key. I hear a deep bone and a little more. I thought I know what I was doing. Yeah, man. But today, here I am in chains. I'm at peace, Lord. Peace, Lord. The policeman said to me, son, there won't be no schools anymore. Don't let me be prisons. There won't be no schools anymore. All the people will be prisons. There won't be no schools anymore. All the people will be prisons. Cause today, there won't be no schools anymore. There won't be no hospitals. There won't be no schools anymore. There won't be no hospitals. All the people will be prison. 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 Take it down, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to bring the sound of Lucky Dube. Lucky Dube Gasso on stage. Ahoy! Tika! Ahoy! In my whole life, I got a dream. My whole life, I got a dream. Too many people hate but they why do you lie? Too many people hate but they why do you lie? Hey, you Rastaman, hey, European, Indian man, we gotta come together as one. Hey, hey, you Rastaman, hey, European, Indian man, we gotta come together as one. Hey, hey, you Rastaman. Rasta man, hey European, Indian man, we gotta come together as one. Yeah. The cats and the dogs have forgiven each other. What is wrong with us? The cats and the dogs have forgiven each other. What is wrong with us? All these years fighting each other, but no solution. All these years fighting each other, but no solution. Hey, you Rastaman, hey, you European, Indian man, we gotta come together as one. Hey, hey, you Rastaman, hey, European, Indian man, we gotta come together as one. Hey, hey, Rastaman, hey, European, Indian man, we gotta come together. Hey, European, Indian man, we gotta come together. Bo, 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 bo. Epa! Hey, hey, we gotta together. Look, to the morning. Hey, hey, Indian, we gotta.
Telling me I'm a fool amongst fools. Now I am a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, I'm a legal slave. Now I am a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, I'm a legal slave. Now I am a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, I'm a lead. Let me see those hands in the air. Come on, come on. A slave, a slave. I'm a slave, I can't see you. Those hands. How I am a slave, a slave. I'm a slave, I can't.
To make me feel alright.
Baby, you know how much I need you, baby. You are my future. You are everything I got. Please never leave me, baby. Never leave me. Ooh, ooh, let's go.
I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright. I've got you, babe, to make me feel alright.
Feel alright.
I've got you, babe,
I've got you,
to
babe.
make me feel alright.
Feel alright.
I've got you, babe,
I've got you,
to
babe.
make me feel alright.
Baby, you know how much I need you, baby. Please, baby. Please, baby. Ooh, ooh. Are you ready? We'd like it to we used to say like this. You say you wanna dance, now is the time. Why don't you dance to the reggae beat? You say you wanna dance, now is the time. Why don't you dance to the reggae beat? You say you wanna dance, now is the time. Why don't you dance to the what's that? It's a reggae night. Huh? It's a reggae night. I can't hear you. It's a reggae night. It's a reggae night. This is a reggae night. Let me hear you. It's a reggae
reggae beat.
How do you like that? Oh, your foot.
Oh, yeah.
Uncle. Uncle. It's a reggae beat. Reggae night. Let's go. Miss Otam, no se ve. Lord have mercy. Are you ready? 4. I remember the day I called Mama on the telephone. I told her, Mama, I'm getting married. I could hear a voice on the other side of the telephone. She was smiling. And she asked me a question that I proudly answered. She said, son, did you take time to know her? I said, Mama, she's the best. But today it hurt me so. These chores I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice of mine, tout le monde, chantez avec moi. What's like oh, these chores I made didn't work out the way I thought it would.
But I hope you'll make it.
violence that will destroy me in the near future. Oh, this choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice of mine, oh, Mama, this choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. Now I'm here. What's up? I remember when I held her by the hand, reach up and read the scriptures, putting words in your mouth. Maybe what the preacher man said was not something that was within you. Now I know what they mean when they say beautiful woman is another man's play. Oh Lord, I'm hating now. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice of mine, oh, Mama, this choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. Now I'm hurting. Mama said to me,
It's not easy to understand it, son, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again.
oh, said
It's not
Father,
easy to understand it, son, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again.
we're gonna give you a last song. It's a song called Remember Me. We have only last 5 minutes. Somaro! Somaro! What's
Then wherever you are, remember me. In whatever you do, I love you. Then wherever you are, remember me. In whatever you do, I love you.
daddy left us all alone. Life take no way too soon, guess we'll never know the man you would have been or the lives you would have touched. Another 40 years, am I asking for too much? I know you miss him cause I miss him, can you hear his sound? I love every moment even when he ain't around. Yes, it was a blessing, can you hear it in his sound? Just to educate people, education is the key. Your neighbor like you love yourself. Never raising me a lot of wars. Started off with stupid things, greed and jealousy. It's a crazy world, world. For the day I pray and you try to have him practice them your pain. It's like we lost our conscience, so we know how to kill. Sometimes I celebrate, sometimes I cry. Just the way I feel. Took your life, now always wonder why. Why they took my dad and why my daddy had to die. Daddy, oh.